Living alone can be peaceful, empowering, and even liberating. But as you get older, there are some things no one warns you about. From unexpected challenges to surprising joys, today, we're uncovering the truth about what it's really like to live alone in your later years. Stick around, some of these might shock you. Number 1. Silence can be deafening. At first, the quiet can be a blessing. No interruptions, no one else's mess, just pure solitude. But over time, that silence can become overwhelming. You start to miss the small noises of life, someone moving around the house, casual conversations, even background chatter from the TV. Some people find comfort in keeping music or the radio on just to fill the space. Others talk to their pets or even themselves more than they ever expected. Number 2. You learn to rely on yourself. A lot. When you live alone, every responsibility falls on your shoulders. Need a jar opened? No one to help. Feeling sick? No one to run to the store for you. You become resourceful and resilient, but there are moments when you wish someone else was there to share the load. This is why having a strong support system outside the home becomes crucial, whether it's neighbors, friends, or a nearby family member who checks in. Number 3. Health becomes a bigger concern. One of the biggest fears of living alone as an older person is, what if something happens to me and no one knows? Many people start to keep their phones nearby at all times or invest in medical alert systems. Small accidents, like a slip in the shower or a sudden illness, can quickly become serious. This is why routine check-ins with loved ones are so important. Number 4. Cooking changes, for better or worse. At first, it feels freeing to cook whatever you want, whenever you want. No more worrying about what others like. But over time, cooking for one can feel like a chore. Some older adults find themselves eating more convenience foods or skipping meals altogether because it doesn't seem worth the effort. Others use this time to explore new recipes, treating cooking as a personal project. Number 5. Social life requires more effort. When you live alone, social interactions don't happen naturally. You have to seek them out. It's easy to fall into isolation without even realizing it. This is why many older adults actively schedule lunches with friends, join clubs, or volunteer. It's not just about avoiding loneliness. Socializing has been proven to keep the mind sharp and improve overall well-being. Number 6. You become more emotionally independent. One surprising benefit of living alone is how much emotional independence you develop. Without constant input from others, you learn to validate your own emotions, work through problems solo, and develop a strong sense of self. Many people find they become more introspective and even rediscover hobbies they forgot about. Number 7. Nights can feel longer than days. Even if you enjoy solitude during the day, nights can feel different. The quiet of the evening can sometimes bring a sense of loneliness or anxiety. Some people develop bedtime routines to make nights feel less empty, like calling a loved one, journaling, or listening to audiobooks before bed. Number 8. Financial awareness becomes crucial. Living alone means full control over finances, which can be both empowering and stressful. Every bill, medical expense, and home repair is yours to handle. Budgeting becomes essential, and many older adults start looking for ways to cut unnecessary costs while ensuring they have enough for the future. Number 9. Unexpected joys of independence. Despite the challenges, there's a certain joy in waking up each day knowing you are in control of your time. No one dictates your schedule. You can watch what you want, decorate your home however you like, and embrace hobbies without judgment. Many older adults find a renewed sense of self and freedom they didn't have before. Number 10. Pets can be lifesavers. For many people, a pet becomes their closest companion. A dog provides a reason to get outside, a cat offers comfort, and even smaller pets like birds or fish bring a sense of responsibility and companionship. Studies show that having a pet can significantly reduce feelings of loneliness and improve mental health. Number 11. You might start talking to objects, and that's okay. It's something people don't admit often, but when you live alone, you might start talking to yourself, your plants, your coffee maker. And guess what? It's completely normal. Talking out loud can actually help with cognitive function, problem solving, and emotional processing. Number 12. You learn to appreciate the little things. When you live alone, small moments become more meaningful. The sound of rain against the window, a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a call from a friend. These everyday things take on a new level of appreciation. Many older adults say they find a deeper sense of gratitude for life's simple pleasures. Living alone as an older person comes with its challenges, but it also offers incredible freedom and self-discovery. If you or someone you know is navigating this journey, remember, you're not alone. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you've learned about living alone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on life and self-growth.